MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides effective indoor air quality solutions in Pottstown, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners and businesses breathe cleaner, healthier air. Poor indoor air quality can lead to allergies, odors, and discomfort, but our team offers customized solutions to address these issues. We install and service air purifiers, humidifiers, dehumidifiers, and advanced filtration systems to reduce pollutants and improve airflow. Our experienced technicians assess your indoor environment and recommend the best options for your needs. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for reliable indoor air quality solutions in Pottstown, Pennsylvania, and enjoy a fresher, healthier indoor space. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for the indoor air quality solutions near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair. How do I know if I need indoor air quality solutions? You may need indoor air quality solutions in Pottstown, Pennsylvania if you notice symptoms such as frequent allergies, respiratory discomfort, excessive dust buildup, or musty odors in your home. Poor air quality can also be indicated by uneven humidity levels, mold growth, or reduced airflow. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional inspections to assess your indoor air quality and identify potential issues. What are the benefits of improving indoor air quality? Improving indoor air quality offers several benefits for homeowners and businesses in Pottstown, Pennsylvania. Cleaner air can reduce allergens, dust, and airborne contaminants that may affect health and comfort. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides indoor air quality solutions designed to enhance air circulation and remove harmful particles from the environment. What is your indoor air quality solutions in Pottstown, Pennsylvania? Our local indoor air quality solutions has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parkerford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashfox.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.